Hey guys, it's Phil with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, and we're at 14601 Durbin Island Way. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has a 2-car garage. This is in the highly sought after Bartram Creek neighborhood, and this is an awesome neighborhood for folks that want to trade up. This neighborhood is close to shopping and grocery and shops and so much more, and even some of the top rated schools in Jacksonville. Come on in, let's check it out. Check out this awesome kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops with bull nose. It has a undermount sink, and it even has a sprayer that pulls out. Master suite is right off of the great room area, and it's big enough for a king-size bed, 2 large windows with tons of natural light. The master suite features raised cabinets, 2 individual sinks, a stand-up shower, and a huge master bath closet. On this side of the house, we have 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, a laundry, and the garage. The sun sets on the other side of the house, so you've got evening shade. You can have dinner out here. It overlooks the preserve. Awesome place to spend your evenings.